everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jess. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and I hope you guys will stick around for some more content. So yeah, for today's video, I have my current favorites. I love favorites videos. They are some of my favorite videos to watch and also to film. I love it because it's just kind of like old school YouTube. People just show you what they're super excited about. I don't do them monthly because I feel like I don't use enough products monthly to post a video for you guys, but current favorites, I usually do them, I feel like, per season, if that makes sense. So if you guys like favorites videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that I know, and also down below leave me your favorites of the month because I would love to know what you guys are loving recently. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every time that I upload. So I think that's all I have to say. If you guys are looking forward to this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm sorry I didn't have a video on Saturday. It was actually my graduation from college. I am officially a college graduate, so now I will be able to film so much more for you guys, so much more content. I'm so excited. I just gave myself kind of like the weekend off just to kind of be in the moment and enjoy myself and my time with my family, so I just wanted to let you guys know that, but I am back in action now. So let's go ahead and start off with like beauty, skincare products, then we'll get into some hair, and then we'll get into some like miscellaneous stuff. So my first favorite is this Witch Hazel. I have been using Witch Hazel on my face recently as a toner, probably for the last 3 to 4 months or so, and I have been loving it. My skin went through a phase where I was getting those little tiny bumps on my face. I was using the Dermy E toner. I forgot what it is. It's like the dupe for the Fresh Rose Water toner, but it was so good. It was such an amazing toner. I loved it so much. I do sometimes use that during the day, but at night I definitely do use Witch Hazel just so that my skin can kind of get the nutrients and all of the properties from the Witch Hazel at night, so my skin can kind of recuperate, if that makes sense. But yeah, this has really helped out my skin. I feel like with this, my skin cleared up within like 3 to 4 days of those little bumps, and I don't have any more texture or anything. So I just got the Equate brand from Walmart. It's not expensive at all. I think it's definitely less than $3. So if you guys are looking for a great toner then you don't want to spend a lot of money on, and you're struggling with maybe a little bit of acne or something like that, I definitely highly suggest Witch Hazel. It is one of my favorites. On to another skincare product. This is the Hydrating Glacier Water and Pink Peony Gel Cream Mask from Freeman. This leave-on mask instantly calms and softens for glowy skin. It just looks like this. I picked mine up from either Walmart or Five Below. I'm not sure which one, but they sell them both places, and I used this right before my graduation as kind of like a deep hydrating mask, and it was so good, you guys. It's kind of just like a really thick moisturizer, and like the title says, it's just like a thick gel mask, and you just put it on your skin and it instantly just like melts in and makes your skin super plump and hydrated. It is so amazing. If you have dry skin, I think that you will absolutely love this mask. I put on, I think it says like a dime size amount. Apply to clean face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes all day or overnight. The gel cream absorbs into skin with no need to rinse and no need to worry about getting it on your pillow. Use twice per week or as often as needed. So I feel like especially in like the winter months when your skin gets really dry, my face gets really dry in the winter months, I think that this mask would be amazing. But if you guys just feel like sometimes your skin just needs that extra hydration, that extra plumpness, I super highly suggest this mask, and it's so inexpensive at the drugstore. Moving on to two makeup favorites of the month. I've been trying out, as you guys can probably see from my videos, a lot of foundations. I feel like everyone is just pumping out foundations this month. Like, I just tried out the NYX Bear With Me, which is one of my favorites. What was it? Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. Anastasia, Makeup Revolution came out with one. I'm going to do a review on that tomorrow, a full day wear test for you guys. I'm super excited about it, so look forward to that. But yeah, for this one, I have the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. This is actually what I wore on my graduation day, and it looked so, so good. I have mine in the shade Cinnamon Mahogany is the shade of mine, and this is just such a nice foundation for the summer because it's not too much coverage. It's not going to leave you cakey. It's not going to leave you greasy or anything like that. It's just such an easy just throw on. It just evens out my skin tone without, you know, hiding anything or making me look like I have a mask on. It's just the perfect amount of coverage, I feel, for the summertime. I feel like I'm going to wear this all throughout the year because it's just like the perfect amount of foundation for me, especially when I don't have any breakouts or anything. This is just so amazing. I love to apply this with a brush because I do feel like it gives me a little bit more coverage and it keeps it a little bit more matte as to when I apply it with a sponge. It's a little bit more dewy, a little bit more fresh face. I apply this with a sponge when I want my foundation to look like a little bit more like dewy and just like, you know, my skin but better. But when I apply this with a brush, it just kind of makes my skin look, you know, like, oh, like she has makeup on, but it looks nice, you know. So I love this so much. If you haven't tried it out already, I highly suggest it. It does say it provides 8-hour wear, does not streak, skin looks luminous, breathable, weightless formula, provides seamless coverage, even out skin tone, and provides a fresh face look. And I agree with all of those claims. I did do a review on this foundation, so I'll have that linked up in the cards for you guys. I'm not sure which side it is, but I'll have it linked up here somewhere for you guys. A new favorite powder. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder in the shade Deep. I have been searching for a new setting powder for a really long time. This one is a little bit dark for me, but I know that I'm going to get more tan because I'm going to pool parties more and I'm just out in the sun more, so I know this will match me a little bit better by the end of the summer. I did pick up the Maybelline Fit Me in medium deep. I am so excited to try that out. I haven't got the chance to. I actually picked it up while I was in Pennsylvania at my graduation because my Target and my Walmart were like sold out of it. I guess it must be a really good, you know, powder for a lot of people, but I love mine in the shade medium, but it's just a little bit too light for me. But moving on to this powder, I picked this up at Walmart just because I needed a powder to set my face, and the other one was just a little bit way too light for me. So this one is so nice. It's a little bit messy, but I feel like all loose powders are. So it just looks like this, and it's just like a really good deep shade. I find that a lot of you know, powders that claim to be deep are actually just, you know, medium powders, but this one is actually like a good deep golden tone. It's not super orangey, which I like as well. So if you guys haven't tried out the Wet n Wild loose powder, I definitely highly suggest it. So that is it for my like makeup and skincare favorites. Moving on to hair, I repurchased finally this Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner, guys. I tried out I think it's the 8-in-1 from this brand as well. It's also from the Argan Oil line, and I didn't like it. It just was not the same as this. This just leaves my hair so soft, so shiny, so hydrated. When I set this with the oil, it's like my hair is like, oh, you love us? You want us to grow? You want us to be soft? Like, my hair loves this leave-in conditioner so much. It does have protein in it. I know that. Yeah, hydrolyzed wheat protein, but it just works really well for my hair, and I make sure to balance it out with moisturizers and everything like that. But my hair just is absolutely obsessed with this leave-in conditioner. I don't know why I tried to shy away from it and move on to something else, but my Walmart sometimes does not carry this for a while, so I kind of have to hunt it down at different beauty supply stores. But every time I find it, I remember why my hair loves it so much and why I use it so much. I've gone through so many bottles of this stuff, and it's just so good. So I highly suggest, if you guys need a new leave-in conditioner, to check this one out. of mine has been my new hair clips. If you guys watch my hair videos, you know that I have been struggle busting with 2 butterfly clips that I like saved close to my soul because those are my last 2, and my dog is eating them. They're just jacked up. So I finally went ahead and purchased some new ones off of Amazon. They just look like this. They are the TIGI brand, and they came with like, I think 10. Yeah, they came with 10. But the one thing is, guys, I will tell you with these, they have a little notch at the end. Oh, this one doesn't have it. Maybe it was just the 2 that I used, but they did come with like a little piece at the end that would get caught on my hair. So I just took a little manicuring scissors and just cut that off. So now when I put them in my hair, nothing tugs on it and it just glides through my hair. It's so sturdy and it holds my hair so well because it has the little teeth here, like you guys can see. So it grips your hair and makes, you know, sectioning my hair so much easier because I don't have to worry about clipping it on perfectly with like the butterfly clips. And you get so many for such a good price. I think I only paid like $7 or $10 for all of these. So it'd be like $1 a clip, you know. So these are another favorite of mine, especially from when I'm doing my hair videos for you guys. It's just so much easier to clip my hair away with these. So I highly, highly suggest them if you don't have any already. So like I said, I picked these up from Amazon. I'll have the link down below for you guys if I remember to link them. So if I don't, remind me and I'll put them in the bottom bar for you guys. Another favorite, we're moving on to like miscellaneous stuff, are these Trader Joe's milk chocolate and honey toffee pecans. Pecans? Pecans. Do you say pecans or pecans? Let me know down below. I say pecans. But they are so good, you guys. These are great if you just want to pop something in your mouth that has like a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of something to it. They just look like this. They look like little snowballs. And you just pop them in. They're so good, you guys. It's just chocolate, almond, and toffee. Like, how can you go wrong with that? So when I'm having like a little bit of a sweet craving or something, I'll just pop one of these in my mouth and I'm good to go. Trader Joe's has the best little sweet treats. If you guys have never tried them, I highly suggest them. I highly suggest everything. I think I've said I highly suggest everything in this video, but these, since I graduated, I have a lot more free time on my hands because I'm not struggling with school. So I got back into reading, you guys. I'm so excited. So this book I picked up, it's called One Day in December, and gosh, this book is so good. I'm already, how many pages? 60 pages in, and I just got it like a few days ago. It is so good. It's so capturing. It is one of Reese's book club recommendations. If you guys don't know, Reese Witherspoon has like a really big book club. I think it's with Target, if I'm not mistaken. But this book is so good. I don't even want to finish it because it's like just so good. I'm obsessed with it. I'll read you the back so you guys can hear a little bit about it. It says, Lori is pretty sure love at first sight doesn't exist anywhere outside of the movies. But then, through the mist on a bus window one snowy December day, she sees a man that she knows. Instantly is the one. Their eyes meet, there's a moment of pure magic, and then her bus drives away. Certain they are fated to find each other again, Lori spends a year scanning every bus stop and cafe in London, hoping for another glimpse of what she trusts is true love. But she doesn't find him. Not when it matters, anyway. Instead, they reunite at a Christmas party where her best friend Sarah giddily introduces her to her new boyfriend, Jack, the man from the bus, to Lori. What follows for Lori, Sarah, and Jack is 10 years of friendship, heartbreak, roads not taken, and destinies reconsidered. One Day in December is a joyous, heartwarming, and immensely moving love story, and a reminder that fate takes inexplicable turns along the route to happiness. It is so good, guys. If you were looking for a book to read, I think that this one is going to be it wholeheartedly. So if you guys have read this, let me know down below, or if you're planning to read it, and maybe we could start like a little book club or something. Oh my god, that would be so fun. So this one, it's a winner, guys. But that is it for all of my favorites, guys. I know this video is a little bit short and sweet, but like I said, I really haven't been trying out new products because it was my last semester of college and I really just wanted to focus, hustle, buckle down, get a good grade, and, you know, finish out my GPA strong. So I thank you guys so much for all your support on my college journey. I started college while on my YouTube journey, and to still be here with all of you guys is just such a blessing. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like before you leave, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.